Did you know that neon signs were never just advertisements? They were accidentally building a language. By the 1940s, cities like Las Vegas and Hong Kong had entire skylines that pulsed and flickered in patterns no one had planned. Red for danger, blue for calm, a slow blink meaning something different than a fast one. People were reading it without knowing they were reading it. Now imagine someone noticed. Imagine a city where that accident became a system, where gas tubes bent into coded sequences, where a green flicker on Fifth Avenue answered an amber pulse 12 blocks north, where buildings held slow conversations in light you could read from a mile away. No screens, no satellites, just glass and neon gas and electricity carrying meaning across the dark. The whole city becomes a sentence written in color. And the beautiful part is this: nobody walking through it could tell where the message ended and the glow began. Maybe that was never an accident at all. Maybe light was always trying to say something. We just stopped listening.